Hi, my name is Kaylin Boyd. I am from Jackson, Tennessee. I'm currently living in Jackson, Tennessee. Um, One thing that annoys me is when people chew their gum too loud. I think that's kind of obnoxious. Just close your mouth. My ultimate career goal definitely is to go and get my law degree after I work for the state or some kind of agency for a few years. Definitely kind of learn the ins and outs of the systems first before, I try and go fix it and help fight for any injustices or anything like that. And then one goal for this semester is definitely to kind of get a better understanding of the DSM. We learned about it a lot in my undergraduate degree, but we never really kind of got our hands on it. So I'm really excited to actually own one and to look through it and better understand what's in it. So yeah, I'm really excited.